New Cartesian sign convention. Object is placed left to the mirror and the pole is taken as the origin. This is the object. Object is placed at the left side and pole is taken as the origin. Origin means starting. Distance to the right of the origin, positive x-axis, is positive. Distance which is right to the origin. This is right and this is the origin. So anything which comes through this direction, that is from the pole to the right side of the pole, it is positive, and anything which goes from this side to this side, from the pole, if it goes towards the object, it is left side and is negative. So these are the things. Distance above the principal axis, positive y-axis, are positive, while those below it are negative. So they are telling upright images, upright object and upright images are positive, while inverted images are negative. So now we'll know about few facts of these things. So mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. In the lens it will be, you will have the negative sign here, but in the mirror it is positive. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So whereas u there is object, v is image and f is the focal length. So u is negative for both the concave and the convex mirror. That means the object is always negative, because from the origin, if you see, this is the origin, this is the mirror. So from this side you go, so the object is always negative. It is negative. V is positive for convex mirror. For the convex mirror it is always positive. This is the convex mirror. This is the convex mirror. This is this side. All the images are formed from here to here. They are mainly virtual, so it is positive. And for the concave mirror, most of the images are formed outside the mirror. Only 2 images are formed here inside the mirror. So most of them are negative only, because from the origin they go to the left side, so they are negative. And then f is positive for convex mirror and negative for concave mirror. I'll teach you a trick how to do this. So cave is here and naga is here. So you can think this is naga in the cave. You know, snakes will be there in the cave. So yeah, concave is negative focal length, convex is positive focal length. If you remember one, you will know the other one also easily. So magnification. Height of the image by the height of the object. First comes the image and then comes the object. So magnification is minus of image divided by the object distance. It is minus v by u. Virtual image, m is positive, real image, m is negative. Virtual image means image which is formed behind the mirror. It is positive. Magnification is positive. Image which is formed in front of the mirror, m is negative. So m is greater than 1. If the value of m is greater than 1, the image is bigger. Simple. If value of m is equal to 1, image is same side as the object. If value of m is less than 1, image is smaller than the object. If m is positive, then the image is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect in the sense, if m is negative, the image is real and inverted. So you have to remember this as facts. If m is positive, then the image is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect means it is formed behind the mirror. If m is negative, then it is real and inverted. It is formed in front of the mirror and it is ulta like this. Refraction of light. The phenomenon of bending of light when it travels from one medium to another is known as refraction. So this is one medium. This is a glass building. Here the rays of the sun are coming. So they have to go straight, but they don't go straight. They come like this, bend. They come like this and bend. So this is a glass building. Come like this and bend. Laws of refraction of light. The incident ray, the normal, reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Okay. The incident ray, reflected ray, the normal all lie in the same plane. Sin I by sin r is equal to constant, where I is angle of incidence, r is angle of reflection, constant is the refractive index. This is a trigonometric identity. You have to know this. Sin I by sin r is equal to constant, where I is angle of incidence and r is angle of reflection. The refractive index of a medium gives the indication of light bending ability of that medium. So speed of light in medium 1 and speed of light in medium 2 is v1 by v2. Speed of light in air by speed of light in the medium c by v. So what is the ideal refractive index? Is the speed of light in vacuum to that in the medium. So c is considered speed of light in vacuum and v is considered speed of light in the medium. This medium could be gaseous medium or even liquid medium or any other artificial substance like diamond or glass or anything like that. And then ideal thing is speed of light in air mostly, that is c by v, where n1 is the refractive index of medium m2 with respect to medium 1. So refractive index is represented by the Greek letter nu. Nu is equal to c by v, where c is the speed of light in air, which is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Please know this is a very important formula. Refraction by spherical lenses. There are two types of lenses, convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens is like this, like a teardrop. Concave is like this, like cave here. When you see more of area, then it is concave. When you see less of area, it is convex. Optical focus, principal axis and focus. The center point of the lens is optical focus. So this is the lens. The center point O is the optical focus. Line passing through the optical center is principal axis. So line passing through the optical center is principal axis. This is the principal axis. It passes through the optical center. Focus is the point where the light rays converge after refraction of the lens. So focus is the point where light rays converge or diverge here. Here they are diverging because this is convex. They are diverging. In concave they converge. Concave they converge, convex they diverge. So here there are ray diagrams. I will be sending a separate drawing of this. I know you are not able to see clearly. The ray of light parallel to the principal axis, it again passes through the focus. A ray of light which passes through the focus becomes parallel to the principal axis. A ray of light which passes through the optical center goes undeviated. It is very simple. Something parallel to the principal axis goes to the focus. Here it is not like the mirror where there is reflection. So the ray goes like this and goes to the focus, and here also from the focus it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Passing through the optical center goes undeviated. image formed by the convex lens between O and F. Image formed is virtual and erect behind the object and magnified. So this is the convex lens. So this is the lens, and you can see the object here, it is between O and F. So from this object, first what will you do? You will draw a line which goes and touches the plane of the optic center here, and then it goes to the focus. One more ray goes to the optical center. I will draw and show. This is the object and this is the lens. So one ray will go to the optical center, another ray will go parallel to the principal axis and go to the focus on the other side. This is the focus on the other side. So that's how it is. And then these two lines, you will go and meet them over here, and this becomes virtual and erect image. So virtual and erect image would be considered negative because they are going left side between F and 2F. So if this is like this, here the image is inverted, so it is negative. Beyond 2F and magnified. Here also it is magnified, here also it is magnified. It's quite easy to remember. All these drawings will be done and will be shared through WhatsApp. If at all you see this, here you have at infinity. If the object is at the focus, image is at infinity. If the object is at infinity, image is at focus. If it is at 2F, it is also at 2F, 2F dash 2F. If it is at 2F dash, it is between F and 2F. If it is between F and the lens, it is on the same side as the object. So again, they have given most of things are real and inverted, and few things are virtual, and only one thing is virtual and erect. Image formed by the concave mirror. You can see in concave mirror,